Ha mir sean cuilein an aichtin. Agus ha mir clúinjin go bhfuil al ag neach bridi sias a rát seo. Who can gan taichke?
This is the boy, so probably for you, and the girl for me.
Hello. Oh my goodness, these are the most gorgeous puppies ever. So, I see you're massaging.
Yeah.
What are you doing there?
Some just, you know, because of a neurological point of view, it's good for a puppy to experience touch.
So just massage their wee toes and ears.
And just stomach.
Just get them used to touch and company.
Yeah, and just, you can see that after a while the puppy will go to sleep, so it's not a torture for them, no.
No, he loves it.
And they love that, yes.
Oh my goodness, I want to take him home.